the manufacturing guys go, so how are we supposed to build this?
Leatherman has a 25-year guarantee. Every single tool that comes in gets repaired or replaced. And we always ask questions from whoever returned that tool to find out what their experience was and what led to the failure. A lot of the research was about watching them use the tool and learning from their behaviors and finding out that they don't like picking at tools or they don't use it for the functions that we use it for. Free was designed with the idea in mind that we wanted to not only appeal to hunters, fishermen, people who are avid outdoorsmen, but create a product that has the ability to also appeal to youth, people who live in the city.
We brought people into the Leatherman building. We say, all right, we're looking at these pliers, these scissors. What do you think of it? How does it work? Is it good?
Everything has been thought of to try to improve the smoothness and the feel. Magnets help us do that because they are an attractive force that is independent of spring action.
Everything about it is unique, and this enabled us to have that really good motion, the really good haptics.
You buy the product for what you think it's going to do, but the epic tales of triumph come from all the times when you didn't know you needed it and you were able to creatively solve a problem.